Welcome back to TechVibe, your absolute home for premium hardware analysis and exclusive tech leaks. Today, we are diving deep into a device that is completely shifting the landscape of high-end mobile computing, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. If you have been thinking about buying a premium workstation or upgrading your current portable setup, stop right now and listen closely. Fresh, authentic supply chain leaks have just exposed a massive gamble that Samsung is preparing for late 2026. The tech giant is making a bold move that signals a total structural redirection for their tablet lineup. In fact, these new details show that Apple has every reason to be seriously terrified for its iPad Pro dominance. But there is a massive catch with this new device that is already stirring up incredible controversy among hardware enthusiasts. A single choice in the core specifications might completely divide longtime power users. Stick around until the very end because we are breaking down the exact pricing strategies for the premium markets, the architectural shift in processing power, and the specific upgrades that could turn this into the ultimate laptop killer of the year. To truly understand what makes the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus so significant, we have to look at the macro strategies Samsung is deploying. The biggest shockwave running through the tech industry right now is the confirmed death of the standard, smaller 11-inch base model flagships. Samsung is completely abandoning the traditional baseline tablet market to double down exclusively on the ultra-premium sector. This means the Tab S12 Plus is no longer just a middle-tier option in a crowded family, it is stepping up as the definitive mainstream flagship workstation for professionals, creators, and power users in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. By streamlining their production focus, Samsung is putting all of its engineering weight into making this specific form factor a flawless laptop replacement. Let us talk about the visual canvas, because this is where your entire experience begins. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is sporting a stunning 12.4-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This is the Goldilocks zone for productivity. It is large enough to handle multi-window multitasking with absolute ease, yet compact enough to remain truly portable. The leaks confirm a crisp resolution of 2800 by 1752 pixels, maintaining a perfect 16:10 aspect ratio that is vastly superior for viewing media and widescreen video timelines compared to more squared displays. It features a buttersmooth 120Hz variable refresh rate, meaning the panel dynamically dials down to save power when you are looking at static images and ramps up instantly when you are gaming or scrubbing through data. But the real game changer here is the rumored integration of a brand new anti-reflective coating layer, similar to what we witnessed on their absolute top-tier ultra smartphones. For premium buyers who frequently work in brightly lit coffee shops, corporate offices, or outdoors, this coating significantly reduces glare while retaining the deep, perfect infinite contrast ratios that only self-lit organic light-emitting diode pixels can provide. However, beneath this gorgeous exterior lies the most controversial decision Samsung has made in nearly a decade. For years, premium Android users have demanded Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets, viewing them as the gold standard for performance. But according to the latest authentic listings, Samsung is completely ditching Snapdragon for the global variants of the Tab S12 Plus. Instead, they are going all in on a highly customized, ultra-powerful 3-nanometer system chip, the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus. Now, before you start questioning this choice, you need to understand the underlying hardware architecture. The Dimensity 9500 Plus is an absolute monster of a processor, built on the latest cutting-edge manufacturing nodes. It utilizes an all-big core design that completely rewrites how heavy workloads are distributed. In early hardware testing leaks, its multi-core processing speeds and raw graphic rendering power do not just rival Qualcomm, they actively match the thermal efficiency of premium desktop-class silicon. This architectural pivot allowed Samsung to design a motherboard that balances peak performance without forcing T/E chassis to become thick or bulky. This brings us directly to the memory and storage configurations, which are tailor-made for high-end professional workflows. The base configuration for the premium international markets is getting a substantial bump, starting at 12 GB of ultra-fast random access memory paired with 256 GB of high-speed universal flash storage. For true power users who deal with heavy 40K video files, complex digital illustrations, or massive databases, Samsung will offer upgraded options scaling all the way up to a massive 1 TB storage tier. Combine that hardware with an advanced integrated graphics processing unit, and you are looking at a machine capable of running high frame rate AAA games, rendering multi-track audio, and handling intensive on-device artificial intelligence computation without breaking a sweat. Speaking of software, the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus will launch with the next major evolution of Samsung's ecosystem, built directly on top of Android 16. The crown jewel of this software suite is what insider leaks are calling Neural DeX. Traditional desktop environments on tablets have always felt like a compromised experience, but Neural DeX leverages the massive neural processing unit inside the Dimensity chip to provide a truly intelligent desktop interface. Imagine attaching your keyboard case and having the tablet instantly adapt into a seamless multi-window layout that predicts your workflow, organizes your open windows based on your current project, and manages background system resources so efficiently that apps never lag or refresh. It is a completely local, hardware-accelerated AI experience that does not rely on cloud servers, keeping your data entirely private and secure. Of course, all of this extreme performance is completely useless if the device dies halfway through your workday. That is exactly why the engineering team focused heavily on power longevity, implementing a highly optimized 10,090 mAh battery system. When you combine this massive physical capacity with the ultra-efficient 3-nanometer processor and intelligent software power management, the real-world battery life is projected to comfortably clear the 15-hour mark of continuous productivity. And when you finally do run low on juice, the tablet supports 45-watt wired superfast charging, allowing you to top up the massive cell quickly and get right back to work. Every single element of this device is wrapped up in a highly durable, premium aluminum armor frame and back plate that retains the beloved, ultra-sleek structural aesthetic that defines the TechVibe style. It also keeps its full IP68 dust and water resistance rating, ensuring that an accidental coffee spill or an unexpected rain shower during your commute will not destroy your expensive workstation. The iconic S Pen stylus is, of course, included right in the box, magnetically snapping to the back of the chassis to charge. The leaked pricing strategy reveals that Samsung knows exactly what kind of premium value they are delivering. For the United States and global premium markets, the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is expected to see a slight price adjustments to reflect its new position as the primary flagship, likely landing right around the $999 mark for the entry tier. It is a premium price tag, but one that directly challenges the laptop market. What are your honest thoughts on Samsung's bold decision to move away from Snapdragon processors for their flagship tablet lineup? Is the raw power of the 3-nanometer Dimensity 9500 Plus enough to make you upgrade, or are you holding onto your current setup? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with authentic leaks, deep hardware analysis, and clean tech updates, make sure to subscribe to TechVibe and turn on all notifications. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the very next video.